everyone, I'm here at the Aladine booth. They're an amazing company from France, and I'm going to do a demo, and we're doing a make and take here as well. And we're making these amazing bags using some of their diamond paste. And this is the most glittery, amazing paste you'll ever see. It is amazing, and it comes in so many different colors. You can see them behind on the wall, all those colors, and it's just amazing. And today I'm going to be creating a bag. I'm going to use this cactus stencil, which is really cute, and I'm going to basically just tape it onto my bag. Now you could use spray adhesive as well, but I'm just using Scotch tape because that's what there is. Now I put two colors on here because I really want to have the two colors mixed in my project. So to do that, you have to make sure also for you, make sure that you go against the stencil so it doesn't lift underneath.
Like
right?
this?
So,
Is this okay?
Yes, that's
okay.
good. Because you see these little knobs, they might lift up, so you have to make sure that you go.
Okay, thank you.
So now I'm going to start adding it. And it's just so pretty the way it looks. And you can mix the two colors together. You just have to make sure that you add them in a certain direction. Make sure that when you're going with the stencil that it goes in the same direction as the stencil. You can go against it as well, but you shouldn't go across because that way it will go underneath your project. And there's so many different patterns that you can use. So some people have been making pineapples, some people have been making anchors, and there's a toucan, so it's really, really cool. And when you lift it, it looks so beautiful, especially when you do two colors. You can even put some gold in it as well, but I just picked the two colors because I really wanted it to look like a cactus. Since we're in Phoenix, it made sense that I would do that. But I'm actually thinking there's an anchor as well, and I was thinking I could do a beach bag, so that would be really cool to do.
Yeah.
Because I love the beach and I go to the beach a lot.
Carry all your shells.
Yeah, that's true. So I think I'll show you once I lift it how pretty it looks. I really like cleaning the stencil as well as much as I can. The nice thing about this paste, and it's really cool, is that it actually gives you a very even paste coat of glitter. It's not patchy. Like if you try to do glitter with glue, you get it like very patchy. This one gives you a very, very even coat of it. So if you want to get a close-up of it to see how it looks, and I'm going to actually lift it up so you can see how cool this looks. So 1, 2, 3.
Wow. That is gorgeous.
And it dries, I'm not joking, within 30 seconds. Like in a minute, it's all dried. I mean, with not like on its own, but I have to heat set it. If you heat set it with the tool, in less than a minute, it's dried. Wow. So it's really, really quick, and it's washable, permanent, and you can actually like launder it. So it's perfect. You make these bags, and you can launder it in the machine. So you can do it on any type of textile, metal, and also on plastic. So basically anything goes, and obviously on paper. So thank you so much, and I hope you enjoyed my demo. Bye.